Okay, so I got this question for nose contour. Let's do it. I am gonna start with my Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer. When I'm contouring my nose, I really do enjoy going in with something that's not too cool. I don't like anything not like super cool right in the beginning. I do add that after, but let me tell you that the trick is not really in this or placement. There is, but it has more to do with your concealer and your powders. I like to use a brush like this that's quite dense, and I pick up a little bit and I start from the top here right underneath the brow, and I bring, the reason why I like the dense one is because it doesn't really move around too much, and I kind of bring it in this way and I almost go like a V, and the same on this side, and I almost go in a V. The reason for the V is because I want to make this part of it the smallest possible. So I kind of take it, any leftovers on that brush, I kind of take it all along there. And just as I'm doing that, I kind of take the fluffier one and I kind of blend it into the brows or the lid area right there. Then I go with like the flat side and I dip into it and I kind of add a little bit more here because the other side kind of gave me that line, and I go all the way down. I don't tend to go along this way. Sometimes I do. A lot of people do. I don't really do that. If I want to, like, I will a little bit, but not really. And I just keep kind of with nothing on it. It kind of blends it out. So if you can see what I'm doing right there. Okay, and I take the other side, and at the same time, I'm like kind of blending it. Now, then I do go in sometimes, not all the time, with more of a contour shade. This one is the Sephora one. And I go very lightly, and I will keep this right in this area. Just right there. Okay, so the reason for that is because whatever is on the brush is gonna kind of blend it down. See how kind of snatched it's already looking? And I don't add too much of the cooler shade at all. Now, this is what it looks like so far. Now I take my concealer and a flat concealer brush. This one is a MAC one. It is called, I really do like this one to do my nose contour and just to add a little bit of highlight everywhere. It's in MAC 155, I believe. It just looks like that. It's kind of nasty right now, so please don't judge me for my brushes. I don't go in with this. This is the NARS concealer. Go in with it on the brush, and I make a very thin line going down like that. And I will let that sit while I do the rest of my makeup. And then I will also put it all along here and all along here. When I'm doing it on the side, I take it all up there and go all the way down, and the closer it is and higher up it is on the nose right there, the smaller it's gonna look. So again, I take it from here and I go all the way down this way. You can see it kind of going almost into the eye area, and I take it down like that. And you see how it's already looking so much smaller. So a lot of the work is mostly in the concealer and the powder when you're applying those than the actual contour, if that makes any sense at all. And you can kind of blend that in with the same brush, just like that. Going along just like that. For the sides, I take a little bit of a bigger brush like this and kind of blend that into the eye area, just like that. So if you can see, there's that line going with the contour right there, and this is getting blended along there. And kind of gently along there, because you don't want it to be too much. I mean, you can use this as your kind of a primer on the eyes. And I usually have my eyes primed already, but today I'm not doing any eye makeup, so I couldn't care less today. And I just do that. And I will go in with a sponge and just kind of blend that in to the sides. The whole time I am going to keep that line on in the middle. Now I have let that sit for a little bit while I was just making my powder concoction here. And I will blend that just with my finger, my ring finger, gently, just blend that in. I don't use a brush normally. I feel like if I use a sponge like this, it gets too thick. You want to keep it exactly where you placed it. And as I was, this is a little concoction of translucent powder that I kind of make. I mix a few. If you want to know what it is, let me know and I will film that as well. And I will take my little trusty dusty dirty sponge, okay, and press that in, and I will go in to the side, and I will take that quite high up and close to that contour. Those lines get blended now with like the powder and stuff. So you want to kind of very close, and with the tip of that, I go in the center. I try to keep it as small, or else I'll use my brush and my fingers. So with the brush, you pick that up and you just go along that way. And then with this, I will also kind of take it under the eyes. Remember, the closer it is, the smaller your nose is gonna look. This is what we're looking like. I have some powder up there. This is what we look like. I do let that sit for a little bit, and that's when I do like my eyes and stuff. So yeah. So that's been sitting for a while. I'm gonna take my powder puff and just kind of press all of that in. And this middle part, I'm gonna kind of dust it off with my fingers. And I will press that in. And I will gently take that powder along the top of the nose as well, just to kind of try to hide those lines, because we don't want straight lines going up. Just like that. At this point, I take my bronzer and I kind of just settle all of that. I don't like it to look too cool, but I also don't want it like noticeable, it going into the eye area. So I kind of blend that in just there, and I take that little bit, not too much, just on top of it. I take a highlighter and I put that right along here, and I blend it with my fingers just so it doesn't look too crazy. And I put a little bit on the tip there and I blend that out. And that is how I do my nose contour. Obviously I add more stuff, but this video was specifically just for nose contour. I don't like to make it super noticeable, but sometimes you can see a little bit to yourself. But yeah. Bye. Let me know if there's any other questions. I will answer them.